Hey, you got somebody here?
Yes.
Okay.
I will chop his head off.
Welcome to Hoodwash News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Wrong house.
Excuse you?
It's the wrong house.
No, it's not.
District 9?
Huh?
Are you District 9?
Yes.
Sorry, man. It's the wrong house. It's right here, 832.
No, it's not.
I have the receipt right here.
I have the receipt too. Can I please see it?
I was just hiding from the cops, man. They almost pulled me over. I just was sitting in your backyard for a little bit. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I know it looks sketchy. I know.
Make sure you keep those doors locked. This lady's chasing cars and checking doors. Claims she has a car broken down the street.
You're gonna let me in your fucking car! Oh, I can't hear you. I just need a ride to the grocery store, please. My car needs to get a ride to the grocery car. Right there, it doesn't start. Right there, 4 houses down.
Okay, well, my husband is home, and we will talk to him then.
Okay, have a great night. Thank you.
This ex-boyfriend seems to get into it with her over her new boyfriend.
You know who I am.
Hey, I don't know who the fuck you
I'm
was.
knocking on the door calling you.
So what? I'm asleep.
No, you wasn't.
You know, what do you want?
You.
Exes sometimes have a
Okay,
sense
talk.
of entitlement.
Stop playing with me, man.
What? What do you
I need
want?
to talk to you.
Talk.
I need my computer stuff and everything. You got somebody over here?
Here, let me get your computer.
Hey,
stuff.
you got somebody here?
Yes.
Okay, you just tell him to get the fuck up out of here.
Get out of my house, Trey. Get out of my house.
I'm gonna show you something.
Jay, get out of my house.
Go get your boyfriend and
Get
tell him.
out of my house.
Yeah, your boyfriend got to leave right now. Get my
out
stuff.
my
Get my stuff. Go ahead, call 911.
Get out of my house,
Go get
Trey.
your boyfriend. Call him now.
Get out.
Go ahead. Nope.
Get out.
Till I get my shit.
Get out. Get out.
Okay.
Get out of my house.
Don't let me hit you. You better get your boyfriend and go.
Let me know what you guys would do in this situation. Would you let him charge his phone?
Okay, I will.
No, get off my porch.
Okay.
Get the fuck out of here. Are you fucking dumb? It don't matter. You see somebody porch light on, are you stupid? Don't bring your dumb ass to my house no more. Before I blow your motherfucking brains out. I don't know, some dumbass nigga plugging this shit up on my porch. Scared the fuck out of me. I will chop his head off.
This elder comes out and gives this young man some life advice.
You look to get your ass shot, motherfucker. Walk up here and grab something again. See what I fucking do to you, dumb fuck.
What do you grab?
Gonna fucking take that goddamn hat off that fucking thing and walk off with it. You fuck.
I see a lot of people like leaving their strollers outside on the porch. Try not to, because these thieves will use them as a grocery cart.
What are you doing?
I was gonna use that.
Yeah, for what?
I was gonna take my stuff back to my house.
No.
Don't forget about those other package delivery options, P.O. boxes, Amazon lockers, and pickup locations you can grab them from.
Yeah, my business. Yeah, my business.
If you guys have any cities you would like to request, drop them down in the comments. I got you in the next video.
Hey!
Shit.
Hey there.
Hey. Ciao.
Can I help you?
This guy comes up to this door talking about he's looking for vacant homes at 5:30 in the morning. He's pretty well dressed. What do you think?
Can I help you? Okay, I thought it was vacant.
Yo, bring back my package. Yo, it's Mason. Bring back my package.
You're trespassing and you will be arrested.
Yeah, go away.
For my people out there with fruits and vegetables, how do you feel about people coming in your yard and picking them?
No toque. Deje, señora. Deje, señora. No toque. Why? Jesus.
Hey, did you take that off my porch?
What's
How you
up?
doing? I'm wondering if you have a daughter named Cece.
Hey?
If you got a daughter, tienes un hija que se llame, que se, her name is Cece.
No.
No? Okay.
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Please like, share, subscribe. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.
You're on camera. Go away.
I'm guessing this lady needed something better to match her outfit. Thank you for watching Hoodwash News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.